Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Now in this video I want to talk about the difference between consonants and vowels. In the English alphabets they are 26 letters, and in the alphabets they are 5 main vowels and 1 special vowel, and the rest are consonants. So let's look at the board. Here see alphabets. The first letter A is a vowel. The next letter B is a consonant. C is a consonant. G is a consonant. E is a vowel. Then F is a consonant. G is a consonant. H consonant. I is another vowel. J is a consonant. K is a consonant. L, M, and R consonant. O is another vowel. P, Q, R, S, and T. These are all consonants. U is the last main vowel. V consonant. W consonant. And X consonant. Y is the special vowel, and we talk about them more later on. And Z is the last letter, and it is a consonant. Let's move on to the next part. Let's look at some words. Now all English words have vowels, maybe one or many vowels. So let's talk about these words. The first word is cat. We have C is a consonant. A is a vowel. T consonant. Egg. E is a vowel. And GG is a consonant. Hit. H is a consonant. I is a vowel. And T a consonant. Top. T is a consonant. O is a vowel. And P is a consonant. The last word is cut. C is a consonant. U is a vowel. And T a consonant. So we have the main vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now I said Y is a special vowel. That's because sometimes it's a vowels and sometimes it's a consonant. So let's look in the word Y. The letter Y sounds like I. So it is a vowel. Bicycle. The letter Y sounds like I. So in this case, Y is also a vowel. Now in the last two words, U and yes, the letter Y is a consonant. Usually if Y comes at the beginning of a word and make a Y sound. For example, U. Yes. It is a consonant. Remember. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Okay, repeat again after me. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y.